Hey guys, get ready to unleash your creativity because we just got our hands on the brand new Apple iPad 11-inch 2025. And let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. So here's the deal. This new iPad is incredibly sleek and lightweight, which means you can take it with you wherever you go and feel confident that you're getting the best possible price. It is available in this stunning blue color and has an incredible 11-inch liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2360 by 1640 pixels. Seriously, the colors are so vivid and the details are so sharp, you won't be able to stop staring at it. Plus, with True Tone technology, you can be sure that the colors will always look natural and easy on the eyes no matter what kind of lighting you're in. So whether you're watching movies, drawing, taking notes, or doing anything else on this iPad, you'll be able to see everything clearly and in stunning detail. But the incredible display is just the beginning. Under the hood, this iPad is powered by Apple's A16 chip, which provides lightning-fast performance and zero lag. So whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing 4K video, you'll be able to do it all smoothly and seamlessly. And with all-day battery life, you can work and play for hours without having to worry about your iPad dying on you. Plus, with 128 gigabytes of storage to start, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps and files. And let's not forget about iPadOS. It's intuitive, productive, and incredibly versatile. You can run multiple apps side by side, copy and paste between them, and even use the Apple Pencil to take notes while you watch a video. Speaking of the Apple Pencil, it's not just for taking notes. You can also use it to draw, sketch, and doodle to your heart's content. And with Scribble, you can turn any text field into a handwriting field. Just press and hold the Apple Pencil on the text cursor and start writing. It's that simple. Plus, with over 1 million iPad-optimized apps, there's no shortage of things to do with this iPad. But if you need to get some work done, the new Magic Keyboard Folio is the perfect accessory for you. It's detachable, portable, and incredibly protective. And when you connect it to the iPad, it turns into a powerful and versatile workstation. But wait, there's more. With fast Wi-Fi 6, you can download and stream content seamlessly. And with Touch ID on the top button, you can unlock your iPad and make purchases with Apple Pay in a secure and convenient way. Plus, with the 1:MP center stage front camera, you'll be able to have perfect video calls and selfies. And with the 12MP wide back camera, you'll be able to capture great photos and 4K videos. It also comes with a USB-C port and a headphone jack. And it weighs just under a pound, making it easy to carry around. In conclusion, the new Apple iPad 11-inch 2025 is the perfect device for students, professionals, and creators on the go. It's powerful, versatile, and beautifully designed. It has an amazing display, lightning-fast performance, and all-day battery life. Plus, it's incredibly lightweight and durable. So what are you waiting for? Like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all our latest tech reviews. And be sure to visit our website for the latest news and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy creating!